In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add keywords to Shopify website. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you are signed in to the store you want to update. This is the main area where you manage your Shopify website, including products, themes, settings, and online store preferences. You do not need to change your theme or edit any code for this process. The keyword settings we are working with are built directly into Shopify, so this is a simple update that can be done from your admin panel. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the section called Online Store. This is where Shopify keeps the settings related to your website as customers see it online. Click Online Store, and then look for the option called Preferences. Go ahead and select Preferences. This page contains important search engine settings for your homepage, including the homepage title and meta description. After the Preferences page opens, look near the top of the page for the section labeled Title and Meta Description. This is the area where you can add the main search information for your Shopify homepage. Search engines can use this information to understand what your store is about, and it can also appear in search results. Because of that, it is important to write this section clearly and naturally. The goal is not to stuff in as many words as possible. The goal is to describe your store in a way that includes the keywords people may search for. Now click inside the homepage title box. This is where you will enter your main keywords. The homepage title should be short, clear, and focused. Shopify allows up to 70 characters for this field, so it is best to keep it concise. Use your most important keyword or keyword phrase here, and write it in a way that still sounds natural. For example, if your store sells a specific type of product, the title should reflect that product category and your store identity without feeling forced. A strong homepage title helps both visitors and search engines quickly understand the main focus of your website. Take a moment to check the length of the title as you type. If it is too long, search engines may cut it off in search results. Keeping it under the recommended limit gives your title a better chance of displaying cleanly. Make sure the keyword fits smoothly into the phrase. It should read like a real title, not just a list of disconnected search terms. Next, move down to the homepage meta description box. This is where you can add broader keywords and a more complete description of your Shopify store. The meta description can be up to 320 characters, so you have a little more room to explain what your website offers. Use this space to describe your products, your store category, or the type of customers you serve. Include related keywords naturally, but keep the sentence readable and useful. Think of the meta description as a short preview of your store. It should give people a clear reason to click if they see your website in search results. Avoid repeating the same keyword too many times. Instead, use a smooth sentence or two that includes your broader keywords while still sounding helpful. A clean and descriptive meta description can make your website look more professional in search results and can help search engines better understand the topic of your homepage. Once you have entered your homepage title and meta description, review both fields carefully. Check for spelling errors, awkward wording, or keywords that feel forced. This small review step is helpful because these details may be visible to potential visitors before they even land on your website. A polished title and description can create a stronger first impression. When everything looks correct, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. This will apply the changes to your Shopify website preferences. After saving, Shopify will store your updated homepage title and meta description. Search engines may take some time to notice and display the updated information, so the change may not appear instantly in search results. And that is all there is to it. You have now added keywords to your Shopify website by updating the homepage title and meta description inside Online Store Preferences.